Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Smart App Control when the turn off option is grayed out in Windows Security. First, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. This will open the Run box. In the box, type Regedit and press Enter. If you see a permission prompt, click Yes to continue. This will open the Registry Editor. Now you need to go to a specific location. On the left side, open the folders one by one. Go to hkey_local_machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Control, then CI, and finally click on Policy. Once you are inside the Policy folder, look at the right side. Find a file named Verified and Reputable Policy State. Double-click on it to open it. You will see a value box. Change the value to 0. This will turn Smart App Control off. If the value is set to 1, it means it is on. If it is set to 2, it means evaluation mode. After changing the value, click OK to save it. Now close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. After the restart, Smart App Control should be turned off and no longer grayed out. Thanks for watching.